Hello everyone, good evening. So, whenever you want to take the trades, the first step we do is you can go to 1 hour, right? And there are some 10 12 tickers which we generally trade. We mainly trade gold, copper, platinum, crude oil, natural gas, heating oil in the night time. In the morning time, I mainly focus on ES, NQ, RTY, YM. These are the US indices mainly in the mornings, metals, crude oil in the evening time. So whenever you want to start trading, you first go to 1 hour time frame, then go to each ticker. Right? It takes just 2 3 minutes, but it will help you. So so what do you think by looking at natural gas, by looking at our T5, do you think natural gas is bullish or bearish? Right? It is bearish in 1 hour. In a higher time frame, it is looking very bearish. So just go here and mark it right. You can mark it as red color. In the same way, go to heating oil. And you can see that there is a huge gap between these two. That means it is bearish. Now go to silver. There is a nice gap. It is dropping. So this is also bearish. Crude oil. Again, there is a switching in the contract, but this is also looking bearish. RB is also looking bearish. Platinum. Platinum came all the way to the bottom. Now buyers are taking control. So platinum is looking bullish. So mark green. Right? Because it came all the way to the bottom, so there is a high possibility for it to go up. Copper is also looking bearish. Still, it can go further down. GC, still it can go a little more down. NKD came all the way to the bottom. So maybe in next few minutes it will start going up. So we can mark it as green. YM is also looking bearish. Yes, came little bit down, but these lines are getting close to each other. That means it can do one more time. It can go to the top and then drop. So if you are not sure, you can just keep it somewhere, right? Something like yellow. That means you don't know if it will drop or it will go up. There is no clear direction. If there is a nice gap between these two, then we know it is bearish. But the gap is getting closer. It is going close to the white line. So again, there might be a possibility NQ can go up and then drop. So same thing with NQ also. It is looking right. It went all the way to the top. Maybe next half an hour, 1 hour, it may start dropping. But as of now, still it is bullish. Right? If the green color, bullish. Red color, bearish. But it is somewhere at the top. Maybe overnight, we may see a drop. RTY also is looking bearish. So like this, once you identify, then for example, platinum is all the way at the bottom, right? Buyers are taking control. So now you want to mainly look at the buy signals, right? So first thing is you can see there are lot of buyers here, lot of buyers here. So if I go and do a bull put spread, you can make $200-300 overnight. While you are sleeping, you can make some nice profits. So you can also see, right? Not only in 1 hour, it came all the way to the bottom. Let us go to and see 5 minutes where it is. In 5 minutes, it is little bit at the top. But if it comes little bit down, if 5 minutes also it comes to the bottom, in 1 hour also it is started going up, then that is the best opportunity. Right? We want something which is close to the bottom in 5 minutes, close to the bottom in 1 hour, then your risk is very, very minimal. Let us look at natural gas, right? Overall, in 1 hour, it is red. If it is 5 minutes also, if it is red, let us say if it goes to the top, then your risk is minimal. Or you see that overall it is, so here it tried to go up, but now the lines are very close to each other. That means very soon, next 5-10 minutes, we may see a red dot here. That means sellers are trying to take the control. If there is a lot of gap, that means buyers are in full control. But if the lines are getting closer, that means the gap is reducing. The sellers can take control at any point of time. Here you can also see, right, price started dropping. Right? It went here, then it started dropping. So there is a high possibility for natural gas to come down. You can see momentum is dropping. The trend is bearish. The price pulse became red. T5 became red. If you see a small red dot here, then it can come some $100, $150 we can make with the natural gas short. In the same way, heating oil, in 1 hour it is bearish, but in 5 minutes it is bullish. So we need to wait where your one hour and 5 minutes both are looking bearish. That is the best opportunity, right? If your higher time frame is bearish, your lower time frame is bearish, you will nicely, right, with a very low risk, you will make profits with your futures and also with the same time with the options on the futures. So now let's go to silver and see. Silver also as of now 5 minutes is little bullish, but it may, if it goes here, it may start dropping. So then, so okay, this one there is a possibility for a drop. In 1 hour it is bearish, right? We already marked all these things by looking at 1 hour. In 5 minutes also, it went all the way to the top and started dropping. So are you getting it? First thing is we went to 1 hour because that is our higher time frame, right? That is like our parent, that is like our leader. So first we went and saw what is happening in the 1 hour. In 1 hour, you can see that it is bearish. It is bearish. And there are no buy orders close by. So there is a high possibility for copper to come all the way down to the discount area. In 5 minutes also, it is looking bearish. So now whenever I have a confluence, right, it may go somewhere, touch this and then start dropping. Or whenever I get a nice sell signal where I have confluence from here, from here, from here, we can go and take a short opportunity on copper. So this is one of our main candidates today to watch. Then platinum is one more candidate for a long position because in 1 hour it is all already at the bottom, whereas in 5 minutes it is at the top. We want to find a ticker which is either bullish in 5 minutes and also 1 hour, or which is bearish in 5 minutes and 1 hour. They are the best tickers where you can make money with a very, very low risk. So YM went all the way to the top. If I get a sell signal or if I get a red dot here, right, in 1 hour it is bearish. Here also, if I get a red signal, right, maybe it will go touch this and then it will drop. So there are 78 sell orders here. So there is a high possibility for it to go till the range top and then drop all the way to the bottom. So just you need to give some 10-15 minutes, then it will form a red dot. Already sellers have started taking control. If you see a red dot, then we can short YM, we can make $150. In the same way, NQ is bullish in 1 hour. In 5 minutes also, it is looking bullish. You see a big buy order block here. Your P5 is green. Your price pulse is green. As of now, mm, there are not right. Your trend is bullish. Momentum is bullish. Trend strength is looking good. Your P55 is looking good. This is so nearly everything is looking good. So I can go to 1 minute. So now my 1 hour is bullish. 5 minutes is bullish. If in 1 minute also, if I see bullish, I can enter the trades. It is already at a premium in 1 minute. So do you think we can go long on GC? Right, your T5 is looking bullish. Your T55 is looking bullish. There is a pullback, and then if it starts going up, there is a high possibility for it to go all the way till this sell order block. So let's just wait for it to come to the T5 line, and then if it starts going up, we can enter a long position. Now, once I take the trades, once we take some trades, then I'll open up for the questions. So your T5 line is like the base, right? If price comes to the T5 line and again starts going up, that is a good signal. So now I am going and taking a long on gold. We took a long on GC. So I took some small profits on this. Right, again there is a possibility, but again I'm waiting for another pullback. So I took long on GC one more time. So as I mentioned many times, prop firm trading is just like a test match, right? It is not like a 2020. You try to make small profits. You copy them into more accounts. So your sellers are here, but the price is coming close. So it started all the way from here. It went all the way to the top. So I see a lot of buyers here. So even if price comes here, there is a possibility it may do a double top one more time. So I'm holding my long position. Your T5 is still green. Your price pulse is green. There are a lot of buyers there. Your momentum is green in 1 minute. Momentum is green in 5 minutes. Right. Again, the reason why we held it, because we saw there are a lot of buyers here. Right. The price never, as long as price is touching this price pulse line, that means it is still bullish. Right. The if you see a candle completely below the price pulse line, and if there are no buyers here, no, right, this is like a support. So we saw that there are a lot of buyers here. So even though there was a small pullback, we stayed. And then because these buyers pushed the price back. So because again there are sellers here, we took the profits and came out. So again, even though it's $100 profit, if I am copying into 15 accounts, right? I have some Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, I have Ally Trader Pro accounts. Then that is a $1,500 in just 5-10 minutes. Right? So again, now it is at the top. Overall, in 1 hour, it is bearish. And let us go and see in 5 minutes, it is still bullish. So if it is bullish in 5 minutes, then 1 minute we take the buy signals. If it becomes right, for example, in 5 minutes, it starts dropping. Then you only look at the sell signals in 1 minute. Right? I hope you are getting it. If 5 minutes is bullish, if 5 minutes is green, in 1 minute you look for the buy opportunities. If 5 minutes is red, right, it goes all the way to the top, starts dropping, then you look only for the sell opportunities in 1 minute. Because generally, right, in the non-US market hours, volume will be less. So that's why we can use 1 minute time frame. But you always look for the 5 minutes trend. If the 5 minutes is looking bullish, then go to 1 minute and look for buy signals. We saw that there are buyers at the bottom. So we went ahead and took that. Now let's look at platinum. Still looking bullish, but it is already at a premium zone. Five minutes, there is a lot of buyers. There is a lot of bullish pressure. Maybe this is the resistance. If we see one more candle above this, then we can go long one more time. So what do you think ES can go till? There is a high possibility for it to go all the way till this 61.42. So now I can go to 1 minute. Whenever there is a pullback, I took a long on ES. Right? Again, the trend is completely bullish. The momentum is bullish. Right? You have all buyers here. You have buyers here, and your 5 minutes is bullish. Your 5 minutes is looking very bullish. So you have big sell orders here. So price will try to go and grab that liquidity. So now I entered long position on ES. because I see there is a high possibility for price to go touch this. Because 5 minutes is bullish, in 1 minute I took a buy signal. And I see buyers here, right? There are a lot of buyers here. 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 Yes, price pulse line is the support. You cannot short if it is at premium zone. If it is at premium zone and also you see a lot of sell orders there, that is a good time to short. So right here, your table is completely green. Trend is green, momentum green, trend strength is green. Your price pulse is looking bullish. Your T5 is looking green. All buyers, it is looking green. So everywhere it is looking bullish, and there are a lot of sellers at the top. So there is a hype, right? That is where until that time buyers will try to have the control. When there is a sell order block, sellers will start taking the control. So generally we can also take NQ, but I'm not taking because if you have too many positions, it will be difficult for you to manage them. Right? NQ also you can see lot of buyers here, buyers here, buyers here, buyers here, strong buy, everything green, green, this green. So this can also go all the way. If it is a morning time, it will go all the way till here because now volume will be less. It may go till that point. Hold all seems going up. We took long on GC one more time. GC looking very bullish. Minimum it may go till this point. We try to do a double bottom, double top. It goes up, it should go all the way till here, 2909. Again, there are a lot of buyers here, buyers here. Still the momentum is strong, trend strength is strong, different time frames. So you there are a lot of buyers here. If we want, we can put our stop loss below the price pulse line. Still in 5 minutes, it is very bullish. T5 is very bullish. You see a lot of buyers here. This is blue. This is green. Your momentum is looking good. Trend strength is very bullish. So yeah, there is a high possibility for it to go till that point. Actually, we should have waited for a pullback, right? It came, touched the T5 or came close to this one. We should have waited here and entered. But yeah, if there is another pullback, we can enter one more. So this is our target. So if it directly goes there, that's okay. Otherwise, if it comes back and goes, we can enter one more time. We are still holding our ES position, ES long. So price went up, then small pullback. Again, it is trying to bounce. If it goes below the price pulse line, we can take a stop loss. Otherwise, there are buyers here. Trend is looking good. Momentum is good. So there is a high possibility for it to bounce back. I think we can take short on natural gas. You can enter a short on natural gas. Overall, natural gas is very bearish in 1 hour. In 5 minutes also, we can see sellers took the control. Yeah. We developed a new indicator mainly for natural gas. For now, don't worry about it. But if basically if the price turns red, if the line turns red and you see red in the T55, then that is generally very good opportunity. So as long as there we can see a big drop on natural gas. You can put my stop loss somewhere here, 3.60. Kept my stop loss around 3.608 or 3.609. So again, this indicator, you have mainly two lines, right? Or you have mainly one line. You don't need to look above. So if you see a green, that means it is bullish. And you also see blue here. Then we can go long. Whenever you see a red candle, you can take the profits. In the same way here, you see the line is red. You see P55 is red. That means bears are taking control. Whenever price goes above this candle or you see, right, last 5-10 candles, where is the highest point? You see that one. Take a stop loss little bit above that. And we know that overall 1 hour it is very bearish. Right? We have started with that one. Natural gas is one of the most bearish ticker today. Then heating oil, then silver. These are so because sellers, right? There was a pullback and again sellers took the control. And if I go to E5, you can see T5 also again sellers took the control. Right? Even though they are not at the top, still buyers try to go up, but sellers again took the control and trying to bring it down. So T5 is showing red, your T55 is showing red, your natural gas indicator is showing red. If I go to price pulse also showing lot of sellers here, lot of sellers here, lot of sellers here. So there is a high possibility for price to come all the way to this 3.592 somewhere here. So as of now, we don't see any buy order blocks. So there is a high possibility for a drop. Natural gas, if it drops from 3.6 to 2.6, that is $10,000 with one contract. Again, it won't drop 1 point in one day, but just telling you that if we can get some nice opportunity, it can, right, in your personal account, you can make nearly $10,000 just with 1 point drop. So again, sellers, red line, momentum, trend is bearish, momentum is bearish. There is lot of strength in that. Whatever is the trend, there is lot of strength for that. And gold gave another pullback. If we get a green candle, we can enter long one more time. And price will never go in one direction. Right? You got a buy, went up, small drop, went up, small drop, went up, small drop. It will go up one more time, touch this, and then drop. So we are waiting. If there is a green candle, we can go long one more time. Take profits, another $50, $100. We can take profits. We are still holding our ES long. We are holding natural gas short. Even though it's a holiday, there is a lot of volume today. You can see strength is very good. So if the trend strength is very good, we can continue on the 5 minutes. If the trend strength is looking red, that means we have to switch to 1 minute. So here you see a lot of buyers here. T5 turned green. T5 gave a buy signal. Price pulse turned blue. You can see all blue, blue, blue here. Everything is green here. So yeah, still the strength is very good. So if we see another green candle, it can go all the way till 29.13. So we shorted it 3.603. Now if I buy here, that is nearly $40 profit. Yet here it will show if you sell at the market price, what is the profit. But if we do a limit order, then you make nearly $40 profit on that. And when you have 10, 15 accounts, 40 into 15 is $600. Because as I said, like it came to the T5 and again buyers are looking strong. Again, we got a pullback. So, yeah, I kept a stop loss around 29.05. So again, right, price. So price started from here, went up, small pullback, went up, small pullback, went up, small pullback, went up, small pullback. So this is our target, final target, right? So whenever you get a pullback, it comes to 85, you go long. So same, you can use the same logic with NQES, anything. Whenever it is bullish, you see where the big sell orders are. That is our final target. Until that time, you see some three, four green candles, one or two red candles, three green candles, two red candles, green candle, two red candles, green candles. So if it goes up, this is our target. Otherwise, you keep $100, $150 stop loss. There is a high possibility for it to go until here where there are more sellers. Then I kept a stop loss for no, target for the ES. I'll take $50, right? Even if you make 50, 50 into 10, 50 into 20, that is $1,000 profit. So if I get one more pullback on ES, I'll enter one more time. Until 61.42, I'll try to look for a pullback. Whenever there is a pullback, I'll enter. So I took profit on gold one more time. Right, I'm just taking small profits because this came all the way to the top. But again, yeah, there is a high possibility for it to go touch this. If I get one more red candle, I can enter one more time long and again make 50, $60. Until it reaches here, we can continue repeating the same thing in the same way with ES. There's a 90% possibility it will go minimum till here or here. So that's why your price pulse is blue, your T5 is green, your bull trend is bullish, momentum is bullish, trend strength is good. We have a lot of buyers. So we made profits on ES. So whenever it goes and touch this, then there can be a big drop. We can make on the short side again. Don't wait until last minute. Sometimes suddenly it touches and suddenly there can be a big drop. So So if you have, make sure you cancel your stop loss orders. If you have any stop loss orders or anything, just cancel them. So, right, yeah, it can go there, but already we took 3, 4 times profit, so better we wait. If it goes and touch this, there can be a drop. Yes, also same thing. Once it goes, touches it, there will be a drop. And Q also is close to a resistance now. Again, as I told you, NQ also would have made profits, but we already having multiple positions. So for copper, gold, silver, they generally move in same direction. So copper is also looking bullish. Platinum also can go all the way to this 1018. The number of red candles are increasing on gold. It's better. So that's why don't wait until last minute until you hit the sell order block. Sometimes sellers may come a little bit early and then start dropping it. So if anybody want to make overnight income, so in 1 hour we have a big sell order block. In 5 minutes also we have a big sell order block. We have sell orders here. We are at a premium zone. We have sell orders here. We have big sell orders here. So if we go up and do a bear call spread here, your risk is minimal, right? It may go up and start dropping, or it may go a little bit up and start dropping, or it may go even here. Then it definitely it will drop. natural gas on one position. I took a stop loss. So yeah, it was a nice profits, but again it started bouncing. So now I'll do bear call spread. Right, I can sell 6150 and buy 6160 calls for a yes. So by tomorrow morning, by the time I get up, we'll make some nice profits. So if I want to do yes, so I can sell 6150. I can buy 6155. So I did 6160, 6150 bear calls, and I'm collecting around $360 for each contract. That means if tomorrow, by tomorrow morning, if ES stays below 6150, we'll make some nice profits. So because there are a lot of sellers here, lot of sellers here, there is a high possibility even if it goes here or here or here, it will drop. So because of theta decay, implied volatility, because tomorrow is holiday, there won't be much volume. So that all of those things will help us as a seller. We are selling and collecting the premiums. So if it even before going there, if it starts dropping in next 1 hour itself, we'll make 100 $200 on each contract. So sell yes 6160 call, 6150 call. and buy 6160 call and collect $360. 360 for this is 2 days. Is 218. So I sold the 6150. I bought the 6160 as a hedge. So if it starts dropping, because 1 hour is bearish, right? We saw that 1 hour there is a huge sell order block, right? We are already at a premium zone. There is a big sell order block. 5 minutes, right? Even if it goes little bit up, there is a 138 sell order, 137 sell order here. So even if it goes up and again it will drop, right? It may drop from here itself. If not, even if it goes to the top, it will drop. So as long as it goes below 6150, by tomorrow, day after, we'll make nice profits. Gold is moving. Yeah, you can hold on prop accounts, you can hold overnight, but that is little risky. So ES contracts will expire at 4 p.m. But I took it for Tuesday expiry because anyway tomorrow there won't be much volume. Market closes quickly, so the theta decay implied volatility they will help you. So we can do options on ES only in your personal accounts, not in the prop firms. So premium I collected $360 for one contract. Yes, sell 6150. I took stop loss on NG. As I said at 3.609, we kept the stop loss and buy 6160 and collect 60. Gold also will touch that and then start dropping. So we took profits on ES, GC, and then we took a stop loss on natural gas. We took a bear call spread on ES because it is close to resistance. So GC also we can take, but GC is little risky. So tomorrow morning we can take profits on the ES bear call spread. So anyone has any questions? NKD is looking bearish. You have right magic pattern is forming, but it will be little. So we have a lot of sellers here, but there are some buyers here. Otherwise, we can take short. We can make some $150 here, but because there are some buyers here, this is sellers. Here we have sellers. Here we have sellers. T5 is red. Price pulse is red. Only because we have some buyers here, I'm thinking. Otherwise, we'd have taken it. But tomorrow morning we can take more trades. Tomorrow anyway, we won't have stocks and options, so we can just focus on the futures market. We can make another three, 400, $500 in each account. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So yeah, you can make 500, $600 every day. Yeah, we'll start around 9 o'clock, 9 Central. Yeah, yes, bear calls you can trade on Thinkorswim IBKR. You take only, don't take 10 or 20 contracts. Take one or two contracts. Which platform allows personal account to short or long? And you can yeah, I'll share the recording of the setup session. You can use IBKR and you can connect to Replicanter. Yeah, for 9,000, you can take around 2 to 3 weeks to complete the evaluation. And a 50K, you can complete within 1 week. In GC, it is little risky to short it. Right? For scalping, it may go down, but for because overall, if you see in 1 hour, it is looking very bullish. In last 2 hours, it came all the way to the discount zone in 1 hour. Lot of buyers here. Then price started going up. Here it came all the way to the bottom. So it can go up. You can do a bull put below this. You can do a bull put below 28.83. Didn't everyone? We'll talk in the morning. For futures, you don't have any PDT rules. Even if you have 5,000, you can do that. So on stocks, you need to have 25K. For futures, even if you have 5,000, it is good enough. Stanley, I'll check day traders thing tomorrow. So GC, as I said, right, in 1 hour it was looking very bullish. We saw a lot of buyers here. We saw T5 was green, price pulse was green. We saw a lot of buyers because when you have all buyers, you see sellers sell orders are here, so price will go all the way till that point. So that's why we bought GC. We would have held it, but already we took multiple profits, so we closed that. You should buy if you have personal account, you have to use trading view data. NG can become bullish, bearish. So better just ES is good enough. ES short is good enough for overnight trading. Yeah, we'll talk again in the tomorrow. We'll take some trades and then if any members need any setup or anything, because anyway tomorrow options market is not there, so we can make some $500-600 with futures and then later we can look at any setup issues. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Bye.